is Dr. Nina. I'm a cosmetic dental surgeon based in central London. You might have seen me in the series 2 of Body Fixers, where I was the official cosmetic dentist of the show. Oh gosh, so the first time I ever owned an electric toothbrush was actually, I think, about more than 10 years ago. And it was very basic. There was literally only one speed and it was really harsh. And actually, it gave me horrendous gums recessions. I am so excited. I mean, ISSA 3 contains a combination of such innovative technologies. I'm so excited about this, being a dentist. So when you use ISSA 3, I would say that you notice a difference pretty quickly. So just to give you an idea, it takes around 12 hours for the plaque to actually adhere to the enamel and become really sticky. So even after, I would say, maybe one day, you can really notice your teeth feel so much cleaner and the surface of your enamel actually feels much smoother as well. So I would say really it gets really close to a professional ultrasonics hand scaler that I do at my dental clinic. Okay, so there are, I would say, different reasons why I believe ISSA 3 is the best electric toothbrush that we now have on the market. First reason is because it contains this combination of sonic pulsations and the bacteria-resistant silicone hybrid hand brush. So it's about 10,000 times more hygienic than any other nylon electric toothbrushes, first of all. Then it's a 4-in-1 device. So not only helps to clean your teeth, but also your gums, cheeks and tongue as well. Also, it's environmentally friendly because just to give an idea of how efficient it is, so with one charge lasts for about 1 year and you change the actual head twice a year, every 6 months. And then it's so efficient. It has about 11,000 pulsations per minute, so in 2 minutes you have a really thorough and intense clean. So the reason why silicone head like ISSA 3 is so much better for your oral hygiene is, again, a couple of different reasons. So first of all, it's 10,000 times more hygienic than the typical traditional nylon ones. Second of all, it's also much gentler on your gums. So the traditional nylon electric toothbrushes used to give, like it happened on myself as well, really bad gums recession. Whether this will not happen with the silicone brushes, and also it contains 16 different speeds, so it can really adapt to your own gums, your oral brushing technique, so it can really adapt. It works around your brushing style, so it just is fabulous. Well, having a toothbrush like ISSA 3 that contains 11,000 pulsations per minute, I mean, how is it? It would be impossible manually to try to replicate that. So it's so efficient. In 2 minutes, you have a really in-depth, thorough clean that it would take you at least 5 to 10 minutes manually. So it's so efficient, but again, also gentle at the same time. So you have a really deep clean, and yeah, I mean, the closest thing to this would be a professional ultrasonic cleaning at a clinic. So I think people make a few mistakes when they brush their teeth, but the main two ones are, first of all, they brush too quickly. So we recommend as that the professionals at least 2 minutes, which actually is a long time. And also they brush too hard. So they think the harder I brush, the cleanest my teeth will be. Well, actually that's not actually the case, because you have to be very careful of the soft tissues all around the enamel, which means the gums. And then if you brush too hard or with the wrong technique, then you can really damage your soft tissues. Whether the great thing about ISSA 3 is that this will not happen, because you have the sonic pulsation but also the silicone head, which is so soft, and also you can just decide which speed you prefer to use it at. Well, ISSA 3 is a 4-in-1 device. It makes our life so much easier. I mean, who has time? We're so busy. And so it just maximizes the whole oral hygiene process. It makes it so seamless, so easy, so efficient, and also it's so much quicker to clean the device. It does it all, you clean it, and you're done. So my 5 tips on oral hygiene, I would say, are, first of all, make sure you brush your teeth enough. So we normally recommend, as dental professionals, at least twice a day, which means at least once every 12 hours, ideally 3 times. Then I would say to brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, so give it enough time for actually, removing the plaque from every surface of your teeth. Then wait at least 20 minutes from after you've eaten to brush your teeth. So our saliva has the time to just balance the pH in your mouth. Then obviously using an electric toothbrush, so you make sure your oral hygiene is really efficient as well. And 5 tips will be, obviously, also make sure you go and visit that dentist once every 6 months at least. So the reason I would say why we should use this ISSA 3 is because it's a lot more gentle on the actual gums, it's more efficient, it's environmentally friendly, it's so lightweighted as well, and it's a 4-in-1 device. So really it does it all. You can clean your teeth, your gums, your cheeks, and your tongue as well. So it must be the fact that ISSA 3 contains medical grade silicone. So people may not be aware that actually the medical grade silicone is very well known in medicine, our industry, and it's completely bacteria free. So actually it will keep, your device will stay as clean as you buy it. So not only it will clean your teeth so thoroughly and so effectively, but the actual device will stay so clean as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful.